Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're exploring STBEMU for IPTV on Windows, a fantastic tool for streaming your favorite channels. If you're ready to take your viewing experience to the next level, stick around. Let's start with the basics. What is STBEMU? It's an IPTV set-top box emulator that allows users to stream content directly on their Windows devices. With its intuitive interface, it's become a favorite among IPTV users looking for flexibility and customization. Installing STBEMU is straightforward. You can find it on various download platforms, but make sure to choose a reputable source. After downloading, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to set it up in no time. Now let's talk about configuration. To ensure you get the best performance, you'll need to enter the server URL and your credentials. If you're using 2tv.store as your IPTV provider, simply input the information provided in your subscription details, and you'll unlock a wide array of channels. One of the highlights of STBEMU is its customization features. You can change themes, arrange your channel lists, and even set up favorites for quick access. This flexibility allows you to tailor your viewing experience to fit your preferences perfectly. UEs. If you encounter any issues, like buffering or login problems, don't worry. Start by checking your internet connection. A simple restart of the app can often resolve minor hiccups. For persistent issues, consider reaching out to the community forums for support. How does STBEMU stack up against other IPTV applications? While many apps are available, STBEMU stands out due to its user-friendly design and extensive features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. As IPTV continues to evolve, tools like STBEMU are leading the way. Keep an eye out for updates and new features that can enhance your viewing experience even further. What are users saying about STBEMU? Generally, reviews highlight its ease of use and reliability. However, some users recommend more robust customer support. It's always good to consider both sides when choosing an IPTV solution. Lastly, let's discuss security. With the rise of online privacy concerns, it's crucial to ensure your data is protected while streaming. Using a VPN in conjunction with STBEMU can help safeguard your information and keep your viewing habits private. In summary, STBEMU offers a powerful solution for IPTV streaming on Windows. By integrating it with 2tv.store, you can access a vast selection of channels and customize your experience to fit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more insights on IPTV and streaming solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.